According to CNN News, today at 3/30/2020, the coronavirus cases raised to 721,000 cases, and the deaths reached an amount of 34,780 persons around the world. And this number is increasing day by day. So what do we have to do to protect ourselves from this fatal disease? So in this video, I'm going to show you some tips in order to stay away from this disease. The first tip and the most important one is to stay at home. Staying at home doesn't mean that not to go out at all, as if you are in the jail. But staying at home means to go just for the very important stuff like going to the shop to buy food or going to the pharmacy for buying a medicine. That's called important stuff. So you don't have to go to the entertainment places. Think about ways to entertain at your home, and there are lots of good things you can do during quarantine. If you want a video about how to spend time during quarantine, tell me in the comments. To know how to prevent illness, you have to know how this virus spreads. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person, between people who are in close contact with one another within about 6 feet, or through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. Remember that this virus doesn't have a vaccine or a treatment, so you have to take it serious, but don't get scared. If you get scared, your immune system will be weak. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all surfaces of your hand and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself and other people if COVID-19 is spreading in your community. This is especially important for people who are at higher risk of getting very sick. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow. Throw used tissues in the trash immediately. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If you are sick, you should wear a face mask when you are around other people sharing a room or a vehicle, and before you enter a healthcare provider's office. If you are not able to wear a face mask, for example, because it causes trouble breathing, then you should do your best to cover your coughs and sneezes, and people who are caring for you should wear a face mask if they enter your room. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection.